Hey everyone, August 16th is National Rum Day, so you know what we're gonna do?
Taste some rum!
Taste some rum!
Thought you'd never ask.
I know, so we have 4 different types. We've got a white, a dark, an aged, and a spice.
There's so many different types out there, we didn't even know where to begin.
I know, so we actually just went into our liquor cabinet and just started pulling out bottles, and then we had someone in the office kind of cover them up, so we have no idea what we're tasting.
It may not even be rum.
I'm sure it's rum. So where should we start, with the white?
Let's start with the white.
Okay, so the white rum is usually the one that you would use if you're mixing a cocktail, like a mojito or
Pina colada.
pina colada.
How
What
you
else?
doing?
Let's come on, guys, help. Huh?
A daiquiri.
Daiquiri? What else would you use?
Stop asking what else. I didn't look that fact up.
There's some great rum drinks out there. All right, but what does it taste like on its own?
Let's see.
All right, ready? Sorry. Now I know why you have to mix this, probably with sugar or fruit or something. It's strong.
Pretty mild.
You think it's mild?
It doesn't, it's a strong burn, but I feel
Yes.
like the flavor itself, there's not really like a flavor there.
The flavors aren't like, I mean, it's not a sipping rum.
I wouldn't call it a sipping
Yeah,
rum,
I
no.
wouldn't call this a sipping rum at all. But,
Okay.
all right.
So that's the white rum.
That is the white. So what are we going to try next?
Let's go dark.
So dark rum is aged in oak barrels.
And for an extended period of time, obviously.
That actually smells good. I can smell the oak on that.
Yeah.
Not bad.
There's definitely more flavor to that one than the white one.
There is. Yeah. You could actually sip on this if you wanted to. I don't know if I would or
I
not.
don't know.
Yeah. So what would you mix dark rum with?
Ooh, rum and coke.
Rum and Coke?
Can't go wrong there.
No. Dark and stormy.
Yeah.
Hot buttered rum. I don't know. You guys tell us. Comment below and let us know what you would mix a dark rum with.
Let's move on to the aged.
Aged rum.
Apparently aged rums are supposed to have more flavor and more depth. Let's
Okay.
see.
Not bad.
Woo!
I definitely like that better than the white.
Yeah, but I don't know if I like it better than the dark.
Yeah.
This one's got a little bit more of a kick or burn or something.
This one definitely has more flavor, but I don't think I would actually still drink this without mixing it with something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of burn. A lot of burn in the throat.
Next, we're going to do the spiced rum. So the spiced rum is good when you're making a unique cocktail,
Or a rum cake.
like hot toddy
Rum cake.
or hot buttered rum.
Rum cake!
Anyways, let's give it a try.
Ooh.
Wow.
Now that's got some flavor to it.
You know what? I'm tasting vanilla.
Vanilla.
Do you taste the vanilla?
Yeah.
And cinnamon?
That's really good. You can smell the vanilla.
There is definitely, this is really good. You could
That's the
actually,
one.
you know what?
I like that one.
You could actually just sip on this. I do. I taste the vanilla. I taste cinnamon, maybe a little bit of clove.
So apparently we are spiced rum girls.
I like the spice rum. You like the spice rum? All right, let's see what
All
it
right,
is.
let's see what it is. Here you are.
Because I am going to be filling my cabinet with that stuff. Oh my gosh! It's Sailor Jerry's.
Sailor Jerry's. Well, alrighty then.
Who would have known? Oh my gosh, that is amazing. That is some great stuff.
That's pretty good.
Yes, so where's my bigger glass?
You're holding it.
There you have it. That is our rum tasting. This was so much fun. Maybe next time. Oh, what do you have there?
Well, I mean, if we're going to live in Seattle, we have to hold some Kraken close to our heart, which is also a spiced rum.
So there you have it. Spice rum for the win. Happy Rum Day!